well for the boy? Dubbing tape or not tape? How do we work for the bottom of the skirt that we cut? We put it on the skirt to our own level, to a high level on the skirt. Then we put the dubbing tape on the work, on the skirt, and then strip. Zanfix that we ourselves are wide. Dubbing tape, we cut. We will leave the method. Zanfixes, buy a sheet, buy a mitre, and don't tie the tape yourself if it is 4 centimeters wide and 4 centimeters long all the way around the hem of the skirt. If 7 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 10 centimeters, whatever the width of the light,